Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi A1 Sportback Sport, finished in the modern Arrow Grey pearlescent paintwork. This 2022 model comes with a petrol engine with 110 PS and a manual transmission, delivering impressive fuel efficiency. The top features include these striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, stylish 16-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including A1 and 30 TFSI badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 335 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or big weekly food shop. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with a SONOS premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full cloth trim for that comfortable look and feel. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and front full cloth seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data and audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connections. From here, you can also find USB-C connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driver modes to suit you, whether it be for efficiency or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the climate control offers an evenly distributed temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a storage compartment with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear stick, and 3 cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.